So the Dave Ellman Legacy Conference was happening over the weekend. I was presenting on the future of hypnotism. And I just want to say how interesting it is to get together with hundreds of hypnotists and, this cool virtual conference platform. And then, it's open to people and the public, but you've got so many different views on how to use hypnosis, advancements for hypnosis, uses for hypnosis. Everybody can see hypnosis differently. Hypnosis is the thing that is happening with your mind. When things are changing in your life, that is hypnosis. So why are so many people still considering that word hypnosis as something to be afraid of, or the techniques of hypnosis as something to avoid, or something that only works for a select number of people, or I tried to get into it and I couldn't get all the way down into trance, and so I'm unhypnotizable. Hypnosis is not a state. Hypnosis is not technique. Hypnosis is philosophy. You have a mind, and that mind can be suggested or manipulated or enticed, right? Or punished to do something. You can and are always doing your own hypnosis. So modern day hypnosis is passionate about this mission of demystifying hypnosis enough so that you wake up from any trance that you are in, you liberate yourself from any story and a limited belief you achieve. In the experience of your reality, you achieve anything that you desire. This is what hypnosis can do. It can do miraculous things. This is why I got into this profession, because in reading about hypnosis and in the case studies, you can find documented case studies in science proven that hypnosis has done things that didn't seem possible. It's okay if you don't believe it. It's okay if you are skeptical. It is okay if you are afraid. But if you want to change, if you want something badly, I'm not asking you to open your mind to believe this. I'm asking you to give this the fair opportunity, as a true scientist would, give this the fair opportunity. Come to one of my workshops. I will explain it in as much, tangible detail. I will demonstrate it. We can discuss it. You can interact with me and tell me your specific goals. You can do those goals right then, right there. I want you to have access to modern hypnosis. My name is Lauren. I am a master hypnotist, and I want to help you to master these techniques for yourself. So join me in a workshop.